Is your business ready for the next level of tech security? At Zero Labs, we specialize in keeping your business safe, running smoothly, and ahead of the curve. From remote IT support to cutting-edge cybersecurity services, we've got you covered. Network security, we safeguard your networks with proactive defenses and constant monitoring. Remote management, our team ensures your systems are always running at peak performance, no matter where you are. Remote security assessments and penetration testing, we identify vulnerabilities before attackers do, ensuring your business stays protected. 24/7. Monitoring and response? Absolutely. Whether you need on-site IT support, a fully customized security system, or penetration testing to ensure your defenses are unbreakable, Zero Labs has the expertise you can trust. Let us handle your tech so you can focus on what matters, growing your business. Get started today. Visit www.zerolabs.net to schedule a free consultation. Your business deserves the best, and we deliver nothing less. Zero Labs, powering your business with world-class IT and security solutions.